All right, we're gonna go ahead and learn how to make a meal in MyFitnessPal. So this really comes in handy when you eat the same things over and over again, which a lot of times, I mean, we're creatures of habit. We do so even if we're not tracking, right? Like I'm sure before you started your diet, you would go to the same restaurant or fast food place, order the same number six or what have you. So we're just gonna do this now with foods that we actually know are gonna be beneficial to us and our health and our fitness. Okay, so I'm gonna start right here in breakfast. I'm just gonna go to add food and we'll keep this very simple. I'm going to log some chicken, rice, and broccoli. It's something that I eat almost every day. So I type in rice. Now I already have the options of rice that I've used in the past. So I'm gonna choose this jasmine white rice right here. And let's just say I had 150 grams of that. Go ahead and click it, check it. Next, I'm gonna add my chicken breast. So I type in chicken. Boom, I have a good option right here. Remember, make sure that the options that you're logging are accurate and exactly what you're actually having. So chicken breast, cooked, skinless, and 115 grams. Okay, I'll go ahead and log that. And then I'll log my broccoli. Got about 100 grams of broccoli. Go ahead and log that. And last but not least, I put some butter on my rice to add some fats. So butter salted, about 10 grams of butter. Perfect. Now I'm gonna go back to the meal that I just logged. So it's all in breakfast, as you can see. And then I'm gonna click the little three dots at the bottom right-hand corner of the breakfast. And then I go to save as meal. Then it just pulls up this option, name your meal. You can take a photo of it if you want. I'm gonna name it Corbin's chicken and rice. Boom, save it. It says meal created, so I can go ahead and just dismiss that. Now, let's say at my lunch or the next day or whatever, I wanna go ahead and have that same exact meal. I go to add food. At the top, I go to my meals, and then it'll pull up a list of all the meals that I have. I just click on Corbin's chicken and rice. I can review if everything is what I'm having. I go ahead and check it and go back to my diary. In the lunch, now you see all the items are logged. So I originally did it in my breakfast, that's still there, and now all the ones in my lunch. And let's just say something's a little different, right? Let's say, okay, I only had 100 grams of rice. I'll click on that, I'll change my portion size, boom, and I'll modify for what I actually had. I can obviously add more food to it as well. For example, okay, I also had some pineapple on the side, and I had 100 grams of those pineapples. Boom, go back, and it's all there. Remember, check at the bottom for your total nutrition to make sure you're hitting your daily macros.